Hello guys, this is from the FRRA, stands for Fabian,
Ramaza, Rashad,
and Audi. And this is how to make the project. Check it out!
Why we did this experiment? Reduce the damage caused by tsunamis, since there have been many environmental problems in the past several years, including natural disasters like tsunamis. We would cease to exist on Earth if we did not contribute to finding a solution to this problem. Addressing global environmental issues that have the potential to cause serious issues. Tsunamis are highly dangerous ocean waves that can devastate coastal areas, impacting ecosystems, resources, and infrastructure. Preventive measures like seawalls and education programs are crucial for preparedness.
And that is why we came up with the question, our main question: how can we minimize the damage that is caused by a wave or tsunami with mangrove-like plants? Or can only mangrove trees deflect the wave? And that is why we came up with a plan to show a demonstration of minimizing waves using mangrove-like plants while experimenting with different experimental variables. We would like to observe these three variables. Variable 1, only mangrove-like plant. Variable 2, mangrove-like plant plus sand rocks. Variable 3, only sand rocks without mangrove-like plant.
Our experimental variables. Independent variables, the use of mangrove-like trees compared to real mangrove trees. Dependent variables, we measure the height of the wave and we measure the amount of plant use. And lastly, constant or control variables, the height and volume of the water, the amount of plant use, and the power of wavemaker.
So next we have the materials and units. The materials are 1 aquarium, which is 80 centimeters long, 2 wave makers, 3 Sabrina trees, which are mangrove-like, 50 liters of water, black mountain sand, water hose, small sand rocks, and the units that we use are centimeters, milliliters, grams, and liters.
The procedure are: first, we prepare the materials. Second, we prepare the aquarium and apply the sand inside of the aquarium. Third, we place the mangrove-like tree, Sabrina tree, in the middle of the aquarium. Fourth, we add water until it is half the aquarium's volume. Fifth, we place the wave maker at the end in the opposite direction of the mangrove tree. Aside from that, apply all 3 different variables to test: mangrove-like tree plus sand rocks without mangrove tree, and then record the result of each variables.
Results. Variable 1 shows that it was the mangrove-like trees that proved to reduce the wave's height. The strong waves are associated with the dense mangrove-like trees, which showed stability in the test. Variable 2 shows the combination of rocks and mangroves that further reduce the wave's height, and the flexibility of the mangrove-like trees along the cliffs helped slow the waves down considerably. Variable 3, in the absence of the mangrove-like vegetation, the tide height remained high, indicating that the rock reduced the tide only marginally. The absence of vegetation emphasized the importance of mangrove-like trees in coastal protection, revealing their unique role in wave mitigation.
Connection. In the follow-up to the STEAM experiment on wave reduction using mangrove-like trees, we observed a decrease in wave level, demonstrating the potential of these natural barriers in coastal protection. The finding underscored the ecological importance of cultivating such vegetation, offering sustainable solution for mitigating coastal erosion and safeguarding vulnerable ecosystem. But we believe that using mangrove plants with the correct size and type would be more ideal and accurate.
This is our experience going through the steam.
We hope we can make Earth a better place.
And this one, thank you!